Oh frick, the tail fell off. Today, we're gonna be making Miffy keycaps. I've actually never made them before, so this video is just gonna be me trying to figure it out. So it's not a tutorial, but I did buy all the materials and we're gonna attempt to make them and let's see how they turn out. And this is also kind of foreshadowing my next build, so stay tuned. So this is the layout of the materials that I'll be using, and they will also be listed down below, and alcohol to clean my surface. So my first inspiration is gonna be this. So just a normal Miffy with a little flower. So yeah, we're gonna try to make that first. The 3 clays I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna use the pink for the flower, this for the Miffy base and the ears, this for the face. I also have here my helping hand and my keycap. Clip it so it doesn't get annoying when I put the clay on top of it. I'll be grabbing my white clay. I'm just gonna condition it so it can be softer when we use it. I'm also gonna pass it through this pasta machine to condition it as well. Now I'm putting the clay on top of the keycap. I don't really know how this is gonna go, but that's what it looks like right now. Okay, now I'm using this smoothing tool to kind of smooth it together so it looks less clumpy. Okay, so this is probably the smoothest I'll probably get it to be. To put rubbing alcohol all around it to get out the particles. Went ahead and did the ears. I did this off camera, but I just got white clay. I kind of ran it through the pasta machine again. Cutting board to be about like 1/4 of an inch, and I just kept rolling it until like they came out to be balls like this, and I just went ahead and put them on top. Okay, so now I'm gonna be doing the eyes. DX. Are you guys ready for this? Ta-da! That's kind of cute. It's a little derpy, but that's okay. I don't even think there's room for like a little bow. So honestly, I'm actually doing this inspiration, which is fine. Okay, here's the close-up of the first one. I gave it like a little tail. I'm attempting to make this one right here, and this is my progress so far. I'm gonna try to make the head and then fix the feet. Okay, I'm not even gonna lie, I took a little break. But yeah, time for the last keycap. Okay, so I'm conditioning the clay and we're just going to cover it. So I actually made this keycap and I forgot to record the process of it. But the inspiration behind this was this, and I made it too big, but I didn't have room for the little Miffy toy, whatever, that was in the middle that they were holding. So I just made a face. Because I didn't have any room, I'm gonna be making a keycap with just that pink Miffy. Instead of it holding the Miffy, I'm just gonna have it in the middle. keycap. Okay, so time to put it through the pasta machine. Okay, so now I'm gonna cover it. Oh, where's the keycaps? Oh, wait, it's right in front of me. Okay, putting it on my helper, and then grabbing my flat clay, and then just loading it over top. Okay, time to cut. Look at how smooth this is compared to like this one, my very first keycap that I made. This one's not as it's not as flat as this one. Yeah, I'm getting so good at it. I might make more in the future. So of course, using my tool to cut off the excess at the bottom. Okay, I actually told my friend I was making food, not tell him I was baking keycaps. So let's see the look on his face when he sees there's no food. The easiest way I feel like to make ears, I just kind of attach them together like that, like a little heart. This is what it's kind of looking like right now. Starting to get there. I don't know, the ears might be a little too flat. Okay, time to put on the face. This is, I think, the most annoying part, is like making really small clay for the face of this. So of course, I'm gonna get the black and roll it like this. And I'm just gonna cut it up and eyeball it to see if it fits. So with the balls, I just roll it with my 2 fingers like this. Finally finished. So what it looks like. I don't think it looks the worst, and definitely not the best. Okay, I managed to finish all 4 keycaps today. Let me know what your favorite one is. So I'm gonna attempt to make the flower for this one. Let's hope it fits, because I feel like it's so plain. But I don't know, I might give up halfway. I'm gonna use the pink color because it's already out. So what I do is I'm gonna make 6 regular balls of pink and have the white one in the middle of it, and then just stick it on. So it's gonna be like really small. Roll it like a snake, and just cut slices of it. Okay, and this is the flower. This might be a little too big, but let's see. It's definitely too big. I'm trying to make it smaller then. Okay, I did it. I got the flower on. Why is it not focusing? There we go. Oh my god. Okay, it looks kind of ugly, but it's okay. I got it on. So, we got like the 3D figure Miffy, and then we got a pink Miffy flat one, and then we got this. Oh frick, the tail fell off. Hold on. And then we have a Miffy that has 2 ears sticking out of his forehead. Now it's time to bake them, so I'm gonna head over to my friend's house real quick. Okay, I'll be right back. Bye bye. Hopefully I don't expose where he lives, just like how I exposed mine last video. If you saw my address last video, no you didn't. Okay, let's go. Can I use your oven?
Yeah.
Or else.
You know, I was waiting. I didn't get anything sweet today. I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna get matcha brownies today. And you said, oh, it's gonna be a secret.
I was scared you wouldn't let me use it if I said I was making fucking keycaps. Yeah, are they cute? Are they kind of derpy?
Yeah, I mean, it's alright.
Yeah, let's hope they don't melt. I
Is it
really.
$2.75?
Yeah, $2.75. 15-30 minutes. All right, let's go play marbles. Can we test it on your keyboard?
It's dirty. Oh my god, don't even look. Don't even show this. Oh, edit that out.
We up and drove me here. We sat down for like a good 15 minutes just on cookies.
Whoops. We might actually go somewhere and get something sweet. Should we go?
I'm down.
You're down?
I'm down.
next week and I've been kind of procrastinating on this, but now it's time to gloss glaze my keycaps. So I'll first start with this Miffy. So I have a plate and a paintbrush here. So I'm just going to squeeze out the gloss glaze on the plate. Came out kind of like glue. It takes about like 24 hours to fully dry. Here's the final product. My favorite one. Has the flower, has the tail. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching me attempt to make these keycaps. So I'm not an expert or anything, but I really wanted to try and document this experience. And I know this video was kind of everywhere, but I will try to be better with the craft and create more of an in-depth tutorial in maybe my future video. Alright, bye!